Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to show you how to reshape an array. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So as you can see here, we have an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 elements. And we want to reshape it into a matrix. And in order to do so, we can simply use this array and call the reshape. But when you call the reshape, you have to here add the dimensions that you want. So you can't just type any numbers. You have to divide this into equal parts actually. So for example, you can divide this into 4 by 3, or you can divide it 2 by 6, because if you divide it, let's say 5 by 4, it's not going to work. So let me just show you what I mean here. If I reshape it this into 3 by 4, and let me just print the result. As you can see, what I'm gonna get is that three arrays by 4. Each one contains 4 elements. But if I try to reshape it into 5 by 4, it's not going to work. I'm gonna get an error, because here it says a value error, cannot reshape array of size 12 into shape 5 by 4. So you need, before you use the reshape, you need to know the shape that you want, and you need to check how many equal parts you want. Let's say that we want to shape it into 2 by 6. As you can see, what I'm gonna get is 2 arrays. Each one contains 6 elements. So this is how you can reshape an array in NumPy. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.